Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you all 30 Easter eggs location in the Trust the Impress game of Roblox Easter update. Okay, let's get into it guys. You need to find 30 Easter eggs if you want to get special reward, and I'm going to show you where you can find them. The first one, you need to go to the dressing room and it's on this jeans area. And for the second egg, it's near the jeans area, but the location is kind of difficult guys, and I recommend you to play with your mobile phone. It's easier to get the egg than playing on the PC. Okay, this is the second location, the blue egg. And for the third location, you're going to go to this table, and it's right here under the table. Now let's move to the fourth location. You're going to go to this area near the female body, and this one, the green egg. Okay, and I'm going to go to the sixth area. You're gonna go to the Lana salon, and the pink egg is right here. Then we're going to go to the makeup area, and the purple egg is here. Okay, then the next one, you're going to go to this table, and this is the 8th Easter egg. Okay, and go to the shoes area, and it's right here. And for the last egg in the dressing room, again, it's kind of difficult. It's behind the purple flower. In the dressing room guys, you will find 10 Easter eggs, and after that you're going to move to the city, and you will find the first egg here behind the podium. It's the green egg. Then go to the cat cafe. Okay, and this one as well, the green egg. And you're going to move to this area, this tree, and it's on the tree. All right, then you're going to go to the bus station, and you will find the egg under the tree. Then just go forward, and you will find the pink egg on the roof, and it just turned around, and you will find the egg here on the traffic light, and here, and turn left, and the next one is here, the yellow one. And go to the Lana's apartment, you'll find the blue one, and go to the stage under the balloon, and right here as well in another side, you'll find the blue one, and go back to the podium, then turn left, and you will see cars, and you'll find the blue egg here on the building. Then you're going to go to the dog statue. It's in front of the dog statue. Okay, then I'm going to go to this bus, and it's on the bus, the blue egg on top of the bus. And I'm going to go back to the Lana's apartment, and we'll find the pink one, and go back to this area guys. It's near the cat cafe, and you're going to find the lost egg here. Okay guys, and that's how we can find all 30 Easter eggs location in Dress to Impress game of Roblox Easter update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!